Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 397 different strategies, with 126 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 296 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,047 indicators, with 437 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says, easy way to trade for a living from scratch. Exactly what I did. And so, of course, we can't really speak on what someone else did as far as where they got their start in trading or how they became profitable. And so that's kind of hard to test. But we will put this strategy to the test and see if it is a profitable strategy. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first one that we will add is going to be the linear regression channel, and it's going to be the one right here by Chart Prime. So go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings of this one. We're just going to change just a few things here in the style. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the bar color, then we're going to turn off these two selections right here, and then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the higher high, lower low strategy with source code. This one here by Lonesome, I forget the rest of the name. But nonetheless, click on that one and add it to the screen. And on this one, we'll jump into the settings as well. And so with this one, what we're going to do under the Style tab is we're going to turn off the higher low, the lower high, and the bar coloration. And so we only want the higher highs and the lower lows to be displayed on screen. Go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade, for example, is we are looking for when price breaks out of the downside of the linear regression channel, like it does right here. And then what we want is we want price to cross down below the most recent lower low. And in this case, you can see it does both at the same time. This break to the downside here also closes and crosses down below the most recent lower low right here. And so that would be a perfect example of a short trade. We would add our trade there. We're going to put our stop just right below, or I'm sorry, right above this kind of pivot right here, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, so that'll put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so you can see that price spikes up here, getting real close to our stop, but then it glances off this area right here and makes its nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for, so we're looking for price to break out to the upside of the linear regression channel, and at the same time or soon after, we want it to cross over or break the most higher high, the most recent higher high. And you can see that it does so right here. Again, both of these taking place at the same time, giving us a really good long trade signal. So what we're going to do is set our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this kind of pivot area here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so this one just makes a nice steady climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 36% win rate. If you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,800 for an overall loss of $2,000 altogether. So, all in all, not a great strategy. I don't think you're going to earn a living from scratch using this strategy. I probably would avoid it. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 44 trades altogether. We had 36 winning trades and 8 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $21,600. The losing side, you would have lost $9,600 for an overall gain of $12,000 altogether. And so definitely better results. If you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would increase the win rate significantly, would have put your total gain closer to the $21,000. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. We are still at the 32nd and 33rd winning trade in a row, maintaining that 100% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the 2 trades on screen now, one right after another. That's using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. We're over 2 months now with 100% profitability. In backtesting, the combination was really powerful, did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. And so, again, it's very powerful combination. As a matter of fact, we are so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader. We're offering a money back guarantee if you join our Patreon and you're not profitable in the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord to take a look at the money back guarantee right here. Alright, that's it for the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.